The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright my people, Dancehall Skilla there again once more, no? Manners and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, yeah? Big up to all of my dans and danettes, you see? Alright, so in this video, I am going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I have some things I want to talk to you about. Now, first things first, viewers and subscribers, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you agree to work for someone for a certain amount of money, and when it comes to the time for you to get paid, the money that you get is not what you agreed for your labor? Have that ever happened to you before? Let me know in the comment section. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. According to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a man who you can see in the video was not satisfied with the pay that he got for something or some things that he had done for someone. I cannot confirm what the person had done for someone for the pay that he expected to get in the viewers and subscribers, you understand? But I got the understanding that the person was angry and the person was yelling and also shouting. In the video you can hear the person asking someone to give him his money. See? And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about a situation like this. Yes, I may say viewers and subscribers, alright? Now, this video is going to show a certain amount of persons bundled together for a certain amount of time. You understand me? And I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you can also hear a certain amount of harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think, my people. Observe and look. He's like, good morning. First. What a day. Hear that, people? What a day.
Yeah, freaky. Oh, go on. Come on foot now. I don't know what you do for me. I can't come on and do for me, God. You fool? Pretty for the bus.
Yes, man said $2,000 a while ago. You don't know style. Jano. Watch out. Man upset the people. Man upset, the man upset, the man upset. Jano.
Yes, yes. Walk on the trouble, walk on the trouble.
Man so upset.
Master, give me my money.
Yeah.
Okay, what topic you are now?
Jano. Quarter day. Come let me hear somebody in the video say something about quarter day, my people. I mean, hear a certain amount of money had been mentioned in the video as well too, you know, you see? And I really still know my people. It can be upsetting to know that
you make an agreement with someone to work for a certain amount of money or to do something or some things for someone for a certain amount of money, and when it comes down to the time for you to get paid, the pay might not be what you expect. You understand? It can be upsetting, you see me, but I don't know much about their agreement, so I can't say much about the video. So I'm going to leave the video right there, and I'm going to move on to another topic, alright? So I read a news article that gave me the understanding that 20 Jamaican students who was in Ukraine when Russia invaded Ukraine had arrived on a flight at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica on the 2nd of March, the year 2022. According to the news article, it is said that the flight was from Frankfurt, Germany. See? Now, I got the understanding that a large amount of persons was really happy to know that those Jamaican students arrived in Jamaica and they are safe. You know, a lot of persons say that them come home. You understand me, people? Even me, myself, feel good for know say that them they back at Jamaica and escape what's going on within Ukraine. It's really sad what's going on within Ukraine. That's what I say, people. Yeah, so I'm just making know about that, my viewers and subscribers. And so I say, yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I saw a video posted on social media that shows an altercation between a few persons, and in a part of the video you can hear when someone fired a shot from a gun. Now, based on some comments that I saw on social media and according to some things that I heard in the video, I got the understanding that some persons are wondering if the person who fired a shot from the gun is a police officer or not. In my point of view, the person who fired the shot de-escalated the fight that was going on between those persons. And the video be recorded out in the public somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. So the video shows a certain amount of persons who was at that location where the altercation happened. The video also shows when one of those persons who was involved in the altercation ran away. And in the video you can also hear persons yelling and shouting. Now, for you to get a better understanding about the video that I'm talking about, I am going to present to you piece of the entire video that has been posted on social media. Now, please bear in mind that a part of this video shows when a man was holding on to a gun for a certain amount of time, and a part of this video shows when the same man who was holding on to the gun picked up a machete from off the ground. Before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe the people.
What's your mother think on?
Yes, see, brother, they will run for me. See, pick up the machete. And he put away the firearm.
A police?
See? At least one person asked for police. A police? In Jamaica, we have asking a question in a certain way. So, him and one person were involved in the altercation. So, let's search the man.
I want police.
So one of the person who was involved in the altercation ran away from the people. So may I say? One of those persons who was involved in the altercation ran away. You understand? Come on, two other man there move still. People are going wonder if my police. See. To all that man there with the firearm move, viewers and subscribers, you know, persons will wonder and ask if that person are police. So me I say, yeah man, even me myself I wonder. You know, me not have confirm information if that person is a police. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know me stay, me not go tell you, say, yo, that man they are police and I don't know. No, me not go say that, you see me, but the way he move, you know, some persons will ask that question because it's like when I time I see like him touch the man. Like him touch the man, like, you know, like when the police pat down for see if somebody have anything on him like weapon or so, yeah. You see me, I say my people. Yeah man, just the way he move, you know. You see? Yeah, but you see the thing about it still, viewers and subscribers, you see? Too much madness are going in Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. You see me, I say? See, some videos when I say reach me Dancehall skilla, me myself afraid for even say me I go look on it or post it in. You know what I mean? You see me, I may talk about videos that shows some recent things that happen in a Jamaican people. You see me? Yeah, so I just make you know about these videos and certain situations. You see me? You can let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers. Me have to try to keep my channel as family friendly as possible. You understand me? Yeah, so big up to Miss Reed. Yeah, big up Uncle Mark. You see me? I say big up Nadine from the Nadine show. You understand? Big up to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, but they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what going on. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?